Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
मैम
हाँ बोलो।
मैम आप जो मार्कशीट भेजी थी उसमें मैम मेरा मार्क्स क्यों नहीं था?
हमारा नहीं था।
नो मैम।
Which page? So Bholi's first day at school, you can say that in a way it was bad, in a way it was good also. It was bad because when the teacher asked her name, she stammered and the girls laughed at her. She felt embarrassed. But it was also good because Bholi had a very good teacher. The teacher was very, very sympathetic. The teacher was very, very kind. And she was very, very soft, soothing. In all her life, she had never been called like that. पूरे लाइफ में भोली से किसी ने उतने प्यार से बात नहीं किया जैसे टीचर ने किया उसके साथ. She had never been called like that. It touched her heart. So the teacher's kindness, the teacher's politeness touched her heart. Get up, said the teacher. It was not a command, but just a friendly suggestion. So it was not a command, it was just a friendly suggestion. And again, the teacher told her to tell her name. And again, she began to stammer. So what did the teacher tell her? The teacher told her that her problem was the fear that she had in her mind. So teacher encouraged Bholi. She said that drive out the fear out of her mind. And she treated her very affectionately. What does she tell her? That put the fear out of your heart and you will be able to speak like everyone else. Yeah. Before this page, the last line, the line before the last line, the teacher says, put the fear out of your heart and you will be able to speak like everyone else. So the teacher understood Bholi's problem. Bholi's problem was more of fear. Right from the beginning, the girls used to laugh at her when she stammered. So she stopped talking she stopped talking because she thought कि अगर वो बोलेगी तो लोग उसका मजाक उड़ाएंगे. अगर वो हकलाएगी तो और लड़कियां उसकी कॉपी करेंगी. So because of all this kind of fear, Bholi had completely stopped talking. But the teacher said that you drive out the fear out of your mind. मन से डर को निकाल दो और तुम एकदम बोल पाओगी. और टीचर ने उसको ये भी कहा कि उसको हर रोज स्कूल आना है. And then another incident that happens in the story is that a marriage proposal comes for Bholi. और भोली के लाइफ का ये एक बहुत टर्निंग पॉइंट था. Till now, everyone just neglected her, even her parents, at home also she was a neglected child, because she was not beautiful, because she was not intelligent. But for the first time in her life, there was a person who loved her, and that was genuine love, and that was the teacher. It was not just sympathy, it was also love. And she told that she told Bholi that you have to be educated, then people will love and respect you. So Bholi suddenly felt as if the bells were ringing. And then gradually there is development in the village. And then one day there is a marriage proposal. There is a marriage proposal. Uh, there is a marriage proposal for Bholi. The village. So there is a marriage proposal for Bholi, and the man is very wealthy, well-to-do bridegroom. उसके पास क्या क्या है? Big shop है, बड़ा सा घर है, big shop, house of his own, thousand of money in the bank. So a marriage proposal comes for Bholi, and the marriage proposal is from a man called Vishambhar. He is a very rich man. He has his own shop, he has his own house, he has a lot of money in the bank, but he is the same age as Bholi's father. So he's a very aged person, mismatch. But Bholi's parents treat her as a burden. So mother says that is right, but he is not so young, you know, almost the same age as I am. Father थोड़ा hesitate करते हैं, वो माँ को कहते हैं कि सब कुछ तो ठीक है, लेकिन उसकी उम्र जो है वो मेरे इतनी है. Father is hesitant, and he also limps. And he is also not able to walk properly. वो लंगड़ाता भी है. He limps. Moreover, the children from his first wife are quite grown up, and he has children from his first wife. So probably he is a widower. Widower मतलब विधुर. A man whose wife is dead. A woman whose husband is dead is a widow. A man whose wife is dead is a widower. So marriage proposal comes for Bholi. It is from a man called Bishambhar. He is a rich man, well-to-do. He has his own shop, he has his own house, and he has lot of money in the bank. But he is over age, same age as Bholi's father, and he also limps. तो भोली के फादर थोड़ा हेजिटेट करते हैं, लेकिन but what does mothers? So what does it matter? His wife replied, 45 or 50. It is no great age for a man. Look at mother's backward thinking. हाँ, कहती है कि मैन का कोई एज का कोई ये नहीं होता है. 45 और 50 भी है तो ठीक है. हाँ, अपनी टीनेज गर्ल, शी इज रेडी टू मैरी her teenage girl to this man Bishambhar, who is of her father's age. We are lucky that he is from another village and does not know about her pockmarks. और माँ जो है वो उसके pockmarks के बारे में भी छुपाना चाहती है, because mother thinks that if that man will see her pockmarks, maybe he may not be willing to marry. Hello, any problem? Voice is not clear? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Voice नहीं साफ है?
Ma'am, clear है.
Clear है तो ठीक. So what does
Yes,
it
ma'am.
matter? Wife replied, 45 or 50. Look at mother's thinking. So backward. She says that even if the man is 45 or 50, I will marry my daughter. And she says that she will hide Bholi's She says that we are lucky that he is from some other village and he does not know about Bholi's pock marks. Because she thinks that if he will see Bholi's pock marks, maybe he will refuse to marry. We are lucky that he is from another village and does not know about her pock marks and her lack of sense. और भोली बैकवर्ड चाइल्ड भी है, उसके बारे में भी वो नहीं जानता है. तो they are hiding all these truths from that man. They are not concerned what will happen to Bholi once they come to know the truth. Just somehow किसी तरह भोली जो है उनके लिए एक बर्डन के तरह है, और किसी तरह बस शादी हो जाए. Not, they're not concerned about the consequences. If they hide these facts, and once her family comes to know about it, how they will react. They are not concerned. Bholi's mother is not concerned about all these things. Somehow she wants to marry her daughter off to that man, although he is double her age. And her lack of sense. If we don't accept this proposal, she may remain unmarried all her life. So Bholi's mother says that if you will not accept this proposal, maybe she will remain unmarried all her life. कितना मुश्किल से तो एक शादी का प्रस्ताव आया है, और अगर इसको रिफ्यूज कर दिया तो हो सकता है भोली की शादी ही ना हो पाए. Yes, but I wonder what Bholi will say. But father, he is a better person. He says that पहले भोली से भी पूछ लेना चाहिए. I don't know what Bholi will say. What will that witless one say? Witless means foolish, without any intelligence. Witless means dull, foolish. So mother says that what will that foolish girl say? She is like a dumb cow. Mother says that Bholi is like a dumb cow. Maybe you are right, muttered Ramlal. तो wife भी protest नहीं करती है, और ऊपर से वो कहती है कि किसी तरह जो है इसकी शादी हो जाए. तो maybe you are right. In the other corner of the courtyard, Bholi lay awake in her cot. और भोली अपने पेरेंट्स का कन्वर्सेशन सुन रही थी. वो खटिया पे लेटी हुई थी, and she could hear the conversation between her parents. Whispered conversation. Parents were talking in a low volume, but she could hear that conversation. Whispered. Vishambar Nath was a well-to-do grocer. दुकानदार था, उसका जो would be husband, भोली के would be husband, वो grocer. He had a grocery shop. दुकानदार. He came with a big party of friends and relations with him for the wedding. So day of the wedding came. भोली के शादी का दिन आ गया, and Vishambar Nath came with lot of friends and relatives. A brass band playing a popular tune from an Indian film, जैसे कि शादियों में होती है. बैंड प्ले कर रहा था हिंदी सॉन्ग पर, पॉपुलर हिंदी गाने पर बैंड का म्यूजिक बज रहा था. Headed the procession. Procession means the group of people moving. With the bridegroom riding a decorated horse. और रामलाल जो था वो एक डेकोरेटेड हॉर्स पे चढ़ के आया था शादी करने. So Ramlal was riding on a decorated horse. Ramlal was overjoyed to see such pomp and splendor. So Ramlal, pomp means show, splendor means beauty. So Ramlal was very happy to see such showy and beautiful marriage, because this Vishambar, he had come on a decorated horse, and he had brought that band party along with him, and such a lot of show and beauty in the party. Ramlal was very impressed. Splendor. He had never dreamed that his fourth daughter would have such a grand wedding. This was a very grand wedding. शानदार शादी थी ये. रामलाल ने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि भोली की इतनी शानदार शादी होगी. So Ramlal had not imagined that his daughter will have such a nice grand wedding. The bridegroom coming on a decorated horse, so much of music, so much of lights, so such a beautiful wedding ceremony. Bholi's elder sisters who had come for this occasion were envious of her luck. Envious means jealous, right? The meaning of envious, ईर्ष्या करना, जलना. तो भोली की जो तीनों बहनें थी वो तो उन्होंने तो सोचा था कि भोली की तो एकदम साधारण सा शादी होगा भी या नहीं. और इतना जब तामझाम देखा, इतना जब डेकोरेशन, लाइट्स, म्यूजिक, when they saw all this, they were jealous. They were jealous of Bholi's luck. Nobody in the house liked or loved Bholi. So they were envious of her luck. When the auspicious moment came, the priest said, "Bring the bride." वो शुभ घड़ी जो आ गई फेरे लेने के, auspicious. Auspicious means holy, promising good fortune. Holy or promising good fortune, auspicious. That auspicious moment came. Priest said, "Bring the bride." Holy, clad in red silken bridal dress. Clad means wearing, right? The meaning of CLAD, clad. Clad means wearing. तो भोली को लाया गया, वो रेड कलर की सिल्क ब्राइडल ड्रेस पहने हुई थी. So Bholi was brought. She was wearing a red color bridal dress. Was led to the bride's place near the sacred fire. Pavitra Agni के पास उसको लाया गया. They have to take 7 rounds of the fire with 7 vows. That is the procedure of Hindu marriage. 7 vows with 7 rounds of the fire. The bride and the bridegroom, their clothes tied together. They have to go together around the fire and take 7 vows with 7 rounds of the fire. तो भोली को भी बुलाया गया है यही फेरे लेने के लिए, sacred fire. That fire is the sacred fire. Garland the bride, one of his friends prompted Bishambar Nath. तो फेरे लेने से पहले गार्लैंडिंग सेरेमनी जो है होना था. जयमाल जिसको कहते हैं, गार्लैंड, द bride and the bridegroom, they put the flower garlands in each other's neck. Jaimal. So Bishambar's friend told him, when Bholi came, Bishambar's friends just prompted him, "Garland the bride." One of his friends prompted Bishambar Nath. The bridegroom lifted the garland of yellow marigolds. Garland था पीले गेंदे के फूलों के, मैरीगोल्ड. मैरीगोल्ड मतलब गेंदा का फूल. तो garland was there. It was made with the way. One of the ladies,
Your voice is not clear.
slicked back the silken way from the bride's face. विश्व ऐसे ही
Ma'am, voice
भोली
is
का
not
फेस
clear.
देखा. Hello, now. Not Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am.
Now it is clear. Okay. So Bishambar had come with the band party. He had come on a decorated horse. So Ramlal was very happy. He had never imagined that his daughter will have such a nice wedding. And even were jealous of her because they had never imagined that Bholi will have such a nice wedding. And uh, so Bishambar, before taking the round of the sacred fire, भोली को बुलाया गया फेरे लेने के लिए और when she came back, her face was covered with the veil, and one lady, she just lifted the veil from one lady, she just, voice is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
So one lady, she just lifted the veil from her face. और बिशंबर ने भोला फेस देख लिया, अभी तक उसने उसका फेस नहीं देखा था. Garland rose through and the bride, one of his friends prompted Bishambar Nath. ब्राइड वेल मतलब होता है घूंघट, तो थोड़ा सा घूंघट जो है वो एक लेडी ने पीछे किया. एंड व्हेन द हेलो
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
का टाइम हो अभी तो है. So Bholi was so that the take red color silken bridal dress, and when she came down, one of Bishambar's friends said, to him to garland the bride, as you can see in the picture. Garland the bride, one of his friends prompted the bridegroom to the garland of होली जो है वो उसने गार्लैंड को लिफ्ट किया, जो ये उसने किया. और one the bridegroom lifted band of yellow marigolds, and at that time one suddenly veil और हमने होली फेस देख लिया, अभी
Ma'am, voice is
विशाखा
not clear.
कहा था. हाँ, और उसने वो फेस देख लिया. हेलो, पता नहीं क्यों नेटवर्क का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम। So as soon as the woman just pushed her veil, what happened? भोली जब नीचे आई थी तो उसके चेहरे पर घूंघट था, और वो लेडी ने जैसे ही भोली का घूंघट को थोड़ा लिफ्ट किया तो बिशंबर ने भोली का फेस देख लिया, और जैसे ही बिशंबर सॉ भोली's face, what happened? The garland was poised in his hand. गार्लैंड जो है हाथ में ही रुक गया. Once Vishambar saw his face of Bholi, what happened? The garland remained poised in his hands. Now voice is clear? Hello?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Hello?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Reply.
Yes, ma'am.
Garland was poised in his hand. जैसे ही भोली का चेहरा देखा नहीं, हाँ, गार्लैंड को हाथ में slowly pulled down the veil over her face. And what did Bholi do? Bholi pulled down the veil on her face. भोली ने तुरंत फिर घूंघट से अपने फेस को, she covered her face with a veil. Have you seen her? Said Bishambar to the friend next to him. She has pock marks on her face. Bishambar verified from his friend कि कहीं उसने तो गलत नहीं देख लिया. Bishambar ने अपने दोस्त से पूछा कि have you seen? She has pock marks on her face. So what? He is not good for you. Are also old man. So what are all your ways? Now, Bishambar not demanded any. He was. Lot of connection problem today. I don't know why. So, what happened when Bishambar saw the pock marks on Bholi's face? Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
लिफ्टर जैसे ही उसका चेहरा देखा कि गार्लैंड रुक गया हाथ में, and then he verified from his friend, have you seen her face, that she has pock marks. And then once he saw Bholi's face, what happened? He started demanding any dowry. That is why they had agreed to marry her, because he was rich. Though he was limping, वो पैर भी उसका ठीक नहीं था, बड़े बड़े बच्चे भी थे फर्स्ट वाइफ से. But in spite of all these things, Bholi's parents had agreed to marry her because he hadn't demanded any dowry. But once he saw Bholi's face with pock marks, he said that now I want 5,000 rupees dowry. Ramlal went and placed his turban, his honor, at Bishambar's feet. Now, if the marriage of a bride stops midway, इट इज अ बिग डिसरिस्पेक्ट फॉर द फैमिली। ऐसा जो है गांव है, अभी भी वहां बैकवर्ड थिंकिंग है, तो लोग यही सोचते हैं कि अगर शादी बीच में रुक गई तो ये बहुत बड़ी एक डिसऑनर हो जाएगा, बेइज्जती हो जाएगी। तो बिशंबर टू सेव हिज भोली's फादर टू सेव हिज ऑनर, व्हाट डिड ही डू? उन्होंने अपना टर्बन जो है, आप पगड़ी, अपना पगड़ी जो है वो बिशंबर के पैर पे रख दिया कि नाउ माय रिस्पेक्ट, माय ऑनर इज इन योर हैंड्स, यू हैव टू सेव माय ऑनर। अब इमीडिएट 5,000 रुपीज का डिमांड हो जाएगा तो नहीं था उनके पास इमीडिएट। Ramlal went and placed his turban at Bishambar's feet. Do not humiliate me so. Take 2,000 rupees. At that time, Bholi's father had 2,000 rupees. तो उन्होंने 2,000 रुपया जो है, I don't have so much of money. Take 2,000 rupees and save my honor. He placed his turban. अपना पगड़ी पैर पे रख दिया. Be a little considerate, please. Be a little kind. Understand the pain of a daughter's father who is not beautiful, who is not intelligent. Be a little considerate, please. If you go back, I can never show my face in the village. ऐसा माना जाता है विलेज में। शादी बीच में रुक गई तो वो पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत बड़ा डिसऑनर हो जाता है। Many in the villages, people have backward thinking. If the girl marries in another caste, that is a stupid way. That is a big disgrace for the family. तो बिशंबर को कहा कि अगर ये शादी रुक गई तो मैं किसी को गांव में मुंह नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा। Then out with 5,000. Bishambar just then blankly told him that I cannot do so. If you want to save the marriage, you have to give me 5,000 rupees as dowry. Father के आंखों से आंसू निकलने लगे. Tears streaming down his face. Ramlal went in, opened the safe and counted out the notes. रामलाल अंदर गए और सेफ तिजोरी से पैसा निकाला, काउंटेड द नोट्स. ही प्लेस्ड द बंडल ऑन ब्राइड ग्रूम्स फीट. अभी भी भोली के फादर डरे हुए थे, कहीं पैसे लेकर भी शादी नहीं किया तो then it will be a big disgrace for the family. So he put the money. He placed the bundle at 5,000 rupees dowry का डिमांड कर दिया अचानक से बीच शादी में बिशंबर ने. You have to give a dowry of 5,000 rupees. And Bholi's father, to save his honor, he went inside. He brought 5,000 rupees and he placed it. He placed it at Bishambar's face. He placed it at Bishambar's feet. What happened? Once again, the veil was slipped. Okay. On Bishambar's greedy face. On Bishambar's So what happened once Bishambar saw the money? There was a victorious smile on his face. So Bishambar was a very greedy man. Can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
जैसे ही पैसा देखा बिशंबर कि उसके फेस पे फिर एक बहुत ग्रीडी सा स्माइल आ गया. ट्रायम्फेंट स्माइल. ट्रायम्फेंट मीन्स व्हाट? राइट द मीनिंग ऑफ ट्रायम्फेंट. विक्टोरियस स्माइल. विक्टोरियस. बिशंबर ने क्या सोचा? He thought that he has won. Now he will get married also and he will get money also. And the bride's family, to save their honor, somehow they will give him the money and he has won. So there was a very happy smile on Bishambar's face. Sharing. There was a triumphant smile on his face. Triumphant means successful, winning. And there was a winning smile on his face.